Hello friends. After having understanding of basics of mean in our previous session as well as from our classroom activities, we can now proceed towards some typical examples. आई होप अब सबके पास वो वीडियो के लिए स्पेशल जो मटेरियल मैंने इशू किया था वो सबके पास होगा. प्लीज़ ओपन दैट मटेरियल and start with question number 1. A box containing 6 dozen apples was purchased from a fruit market. The weights of apples in gram were obtained as follows. Let's see what weights they have given. They have given class 75 to 80, 75 to 85, 75 to 90, 75 to 95, 75 to 100, 75 to 105 and 75 to 110. What frequency they have given? 7, 18, 33, 53, 62, 66 and 72. Now we can see we require some repairing of this class or some alteration of this class. What kind of alteration could be done? This must be like 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100 and 100 to 105, 105 to 110. If I want to alter my class like this, I need to alter frequency also. Let's check how to do it. It is quite conceptual. They have given us 75 to 80. What is the frequency for the same? The frequency is 7. उसके बाद उन्होंने हमें दिया है 75 to 85. What is the frequency for that? Frequency is 18 as a whole. So can I say, इसमें से अगर हम लोग ये 7 निकाल दें तो कैन आई से 80 to 85 के लिए 11 होगा फ्रीक्वेंसी. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? 75 to 80 का फ्रीक्वेंसी रहेगा 7, 80 to 80 का 85 का फ्रीक्वेंसी रहेगा 11. हाउ वी हैव गॉट 18 minus 7. द नेक्स्ट विल बी 33 minus 18. नाउ द लॉजिक इज सेट. सो इट इज 15. उसके बाद 53 minus 33 and that comes to 20. Then 9, 4 and 6. That is how we can find out this frequency. Obviously now the example is very normal with equal class interval and with frequency. Can I apply a method of DI and FIDI? प्लीज़ वेरीफाई. DI के लिए हमें कहीं पे ज़ीरो लेना पड़ेगा. नॉर्मली हम लोग हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी के सामने ज़ीरो लेते हैं. -1, -2, -3 and then 1, 2 and 3. For FIDI, please verify 7 into -3. Can we write down -21? 11 into -2, -22. Same way, -15 is coming 0, 9, 8 and 18. Can we say प्लस का टोटल होता है 33 और माइनस का टोटल होता है 58 and that comes to -25 as a net. What is the total of FI? You can see total of FI is 72. So now let us put the formula and get the answer. X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIDI upon N into C. A very normal formula. Let's apply what we mean by A. A is nothing but आपने जहाँ पे ज़ीरो लिया होगा, ज़ीरो के सामने जो क्लास होगा वो क्लास का क्या लेना है? मुझे मिड वैल्यू लेना है. तो मिड वैल्यू क्या आता है अपने वहाँ पे? 92.5. सो इट कम्स टू 92.5 प्लस सिग्मा FIDI दैट इज -25 अपॉन N दैट इज 72 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय क्लास लेंथ. नाउ रिमेंबर क्लास लेंथ इज नथिंग बट हमें देखना पड़ेगा. देखो 100 to 105 और यू कैन चेक द क्लास लेंथ लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. 100 to 105 it is the class length of 5. Now 92.5 plus, do it inside your calcs. 25 into 5 divided by 72. It is 25 into 5 divided by 72. Whatever answer is coming must be negative, minus 1.74. So ultimately 92.5 minus 1.74, and that comes to 90.78. 90.76, I think. Let us do it again in the calci. 92.5 minus 1.74. Yeah, 90.76. So x bar is equal to 90.76. Okay, done. So it was a normal example. Let's move to next one. Okay, let's have question number 2. Sum number 2. Let's read it from the materials. From the following data on marks of 100 students in the subject of English, find mean. What classes they have given? It is 0 to 70, 10 to 70, 20 to 70, 30 to 70, 40 to 70, 50 to 70, and 60 to 70. What frequency they have given? It is 100, 88, 70, 50, 25, 10, 2. Okay, can I prepare a normal class like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to what? 70. Now what kind of frequency? I need to alter the frequency as I have done alteration in the class interval. Please verify what they have given. They have given us 0 to 70 and the whole frequency is 100. Now we need to have another class. It's 10 to 70 and the whole frequency gets 88. So can I say, if this is entirely 100, this is entirely 88, can we say this part must be 12? So you can understand, ये 12 आया कहाँ से? क्या किया आपने? 100 में से 88 लेस किया तो 12 आ गया. Now 88 में से अगर आप 70 लेस करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 18. 70 में से 50 लेस करोगे तो 20. 50 में से 25 लेस करोगे तो 25. 25 minus 10, 15, 10 minus 2, 8, and finally 2. Because here there is no change in class. At both the places we are having 60 to 70, so we can take 2 as a frequency. After doing this, I will prepare a column of di. I can put 0 anywhere, 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here it is 1, 2, and 3. Now let's have a column of FIDI. Concentrate. 12 into minus 3, what it will come? Minus 36. 18 into minus 2, minus 36, minus 20. Here it is 0, 15, 16, and 6. प्लस में आएगा 37 and minus में आएगा 92. So it net comes to minus 55. Now let's have a total of frequency. Total of frequency is 100. Okay, now can we put the formula and get the answer? X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIDI upon N into C. Now A किसको लेंगे हम लोग? जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 0 अज्यूम किया होगा उसके सामने जो क्लास होगा वो क्लास का मिड वैल्यू. The class is 30 to 40. So can we take mid value as 35? So 35 plus minus में 55 upon 100 and multiplied by class length is 10. So can we say it is now 35 minus 5.5 and that comes to 29.5. So X bar is equal to 29.5 is the answer. Okay, so now let us move to the next example. Okay, the next example is all about cumulative frequency method. How to do this type of examples? We have a separate formula for cumulative frequency method. Let's see. The data on cement bags used during a day in construction of different 50 business houses are shown in the following frequency distribution. Find the mean by cumulative frequency method. Please underline, friends. Find the mean by cumulative frequency methods. consumption of cement bags, can we say XI? So it is 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91 and 92. What FI they have given us? It's 9, 8, 12, 11, 5, 2, 2 and 1. Now under CFI method, I will prepare a column of cumulative frequency, CFI. So 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 11, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 2, 47 plus 2, 49 plus 1, that comes to 50. So frequency total is 50 and CFI total is, you can do it in calcis, 286. Now if I apply the formula is x bar is equal to B minus C sigma CFI upon n minus 1. Please verify, B is nothing but mid value of the last class, but यहाँ पे तो क्लास ही नहीं है, तो ये क्या रहेगा, 92 रहेगा लास्ट वाला XI. नाउ C is क्लास लेंथ, क्लास ही नहीं है तो क्लास लेंथ कहाँ से होगी? सो व्हाट टू डू, check the difference amongst all XIs, 85 फिर 86 फिर 87 फिर 88, कैन वी से 1 का डिफरेंस है. सिग्मा CFI is 286 divided by n is 50 minus 1. Remember friends, here all students will commit a mistake, 92 minus 1 करके वो लोग 91 लिख देंगे, but please don't forget the basic principles of mathematics. सबसे पहले मुझे इस ब्रैकेट का सेटलमेंट करना पड़ेगा. इट इज़ 286 डिवाइडेड बाई 50, दैट कम्स टू 5.72 माइनस 1. सो इट इज़ 92 माइनस 1 इंटू 4.72. So 92 minus 4.72 and that comes to 87.28. Okay, so that was an example by cumulative frequency method. Let's move to question number 4. Let us read the question. The frequency distribution of daily income of a trader is as follows. Find the mean of daily income using cumulative frequency method. हमें कौन सा मेथड यूज करना है? अंडरलाइन करो, cumulative frequency method. So now, what data they have given? They have given us class. Let us write down 202, 219, 222, 239, 242, 259. It's 262, 279, 282, 299 and 302, 319. Now FI, frequency 5, 8, 12, 10, 7, 8. Now under cumulative frequency method, obviously I will be preparing what? CFI column. Let's do it. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 12, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 7, 42 plus 8 comes to 50. So total of frequency must be 50 and total of CFI is what? 170. Now let's apply the formula. X bar is equal to B minus C sigma CFI upon n minus 1. What is B? B is nothing but it's the mid value of last class. What is the last class? 300 to 319. You can do it on your calculus. 300 plus 319 divide by 2. 300 plus 319 divide by 2. And that comes to 309.5 minus class interval. Remember, now we will not check the class interval like this. We will check the class interval like this. 280 to 300. ये कितना हो रहा है? 20 हो रहा है. So class interval will be 20. Sigma CFI 170 upon 50 minus 1. As I have told you, please don't commit a mistake over here. -20 as it is रखो, पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉर्ट आउट करना है. ब्रैकेट में क्या आता है? 3.4 minus 1. So now 309.5 minus 20 into 2.4. So it is 309.5 minus 20 into 2.4 comes to 48. And that's how we can get the answer of X bar 261.5. Okay, is it done? Please read the next heading. Sums with missing frequency. Now, let us try to do those examples. Please read the example once. In a competitive test, the average of the marks obtained out of 20 students by some student is 13.25 marks. If the frequency distribution of marks is as follows, find the number of students getting 15 marks and the number of students appearing for the test. They have given us marks. Can we say marks as observation? So it is nothing but their observations. 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18. Let's put the frequency over here. Fi 3, 4, 6, x 1, 1. Can we say this one is an example of single missing frequency, that too without class interval? Okay, let us see how to find out. They must have given us the answer of mean. X bar is equal to, they have told us it is 13.25. Now can I prepare a column of Fi Xi, because you must be knowing observation will be known as what? Xi. 10 into 3 30, 12 into 4 48, this must be 78, this is 15 into x. I am putting a mark over here. Please don't calculate this 15 into the total, that's why we have kept a special mark 16 and 18. Now let's make the total of this. इसका total क्या होगा? 190 plus 15 into x, and here it is 15 plus x. So now if I put the formula of x bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by n. Please verify, x bar is 13.25, sigma Fi Xi is 190 plus 15 into x and divided by 15 plus x. Now if I cross multiply this over here, then it will become 198.75. Please do it. 13.25 into 15, 198.75 plus 13.25 x is equal to 190 plus 15 into x. Now numbers on one side, step with x on one side, so it will become 8.75 is equal to 1.75 into x. So x is equal to 5. That is how we can end up with the example of single missing frequency without class interval. Please check the next example, question number 6. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 46. Find the missing frequency. Sum number 6. Okay, let's do it. They have given us class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. What frequency they have given? It is 10, x, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now what answer they have given? X bar is equal to 46. Okay. Now can we prepare the column of di? As the class intervals are equal, we are going to prepare the column of di. Okay, how to do this type of question? Remember, whenever single missing frequency is there and if class intervals are equal, we can put 0 against the missing frequency. Remember friends, this will make our example easy. So if I have kept 0 over here, it will become -1, and below that it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here I can also prepare the column of FIDI. So it is -10, this is 0. Now I think you will be able to understand why we have kept 0 over here, because 0 into x करोगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, तो FIDI के कॉलम से x और मिसिंग फिगर सब निकल जाएगा. That was our purpose. Yes, definitely you can put 0 anywhere and you can finish the example correctly. No issues. 7 into 1 it is 7, 6 into 2 it is 12, 5 into 3 it is 15, 4 into 4 it is 16. Now let's make the total of FIDI. So net it comes to 40. That is 16 plus 15 plus 12 plus 7 and minus 10. What is the total of FI? FI is nothing but it is 32 plus x. Now x bar is equal to a plus sigma FIDI upon n into c. X bar they have given 46 is equal to a. A that means what? जहाँ पे आपने 0 एज्यूम किया होगा उसके सामने जो कुछ भी क्लास इंटरवल होगा, क्लास होगा, उसकी मिड वैल्यू लेनी है. 20 to 40 फ्रेंड्स, इसकी मिड वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 30 हो जाएगी, प्लस सिग्मा FIDI इज 40 डिवाइडेड बाय n इज 32 प्लस x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इट इज 20. नाउ लेट्स डू द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. दिस 30 will come on this side, so it will make 16 is equal to, can we say 800 divided by 32 plus x? 14 to 20, 800 divided by 32 plus x. Let's cross multiply. 32 plus x will be multiplied by with 16. 512 plus 16x is equal to 800. 16x is equal to 288. 800 minus 512. That's why x is equal to what? 18. That's how we can find out this missing frequency. Okay. Now let's move to next example. Okay, let's check. It's question number 7. Please read question number 7 once carefully. If mean of the following distribution is 20, find the missing frequencies. Okay, so question number, I think it is question number 7. Mean of the following frequency distribution is 20. So can we say x bar is equal to 20? Find the missing frequencies. What they have given? Value of variable. Can I say it is nothing but xi, and frequency is fi. Let's write down what xi they have given. 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Frequency x, 8, y, 6 and 3. Okay, so can we say it is 17 plus x plus y, and total given inside the example is what? 30. Total of frequency given in the example, you can check friends, it is given in the example, it is equal to 30. So x plus y must be equal to what? 13. Can I say it's nothing but result number 1 as of now? X plus y is equal to 13, result number 1. As we can see, they have provided us xi and fi. Obviously I am going to do the method of what? Fi xi. Let's do it. 18 into x, please don't consider it in total. 19 into 8, that is 152. 20 into y, again don't consider it in total. 21 into 6, that comes to 126, and this is 66. Okay, now what is the total of the same? It's 344 for the numbers plus 18x and plus what? 20y. Now if I put the formula, it is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. They have given us x bar is equal to 20. Let us put it. 20 is equal to 344 plus 18x plus 20y divided by n is equal to what? 30. So can we say 600 is equal to 344 plus 18x plus 20y. So 18x plus 20y must be equal to what? It must be 256. Now this is equation number 2. Now let's multiply equation 1 by 18 to get the simplification. So equation 1 was x plus y is equal to 13. So now let's multiply it by 18. So can we say 18x plus 18y is equal to 13 into 18? That comes to 234 minus minus minus. Can we cancel this equation? So it is 2y is equal to 22. That's how y is equal to what? 11. Now if x plus y is equal to 13, x plus 11 is equal to 13, can we say x is equal to 2? So that is how we can find out both the missing frequencies. Okay. Please check next example. Question number 8. The frequency distribution of marks of 400 students is as follows. If its mean is 41.7, find the missing frequencies. Let's write down the class interval. Class 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80. Now frequency. It is 26. Once again 26. Then missing 110, 84. Again missing 36, 32. Okay, as this is an example with equal class interval, I need to take a column of di. Now remember, against one missing frequency I can put 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I prepare a column of FIDI? It's minus 52, minus 26, 0, 110, 168, 3 into y. Let's concentrate, don't consider it in total as usual. 144 and 160. Let's make the total. Must be 504 plus 3y. Please verify the totals on your own. It is 504 plus 3y. It is 504 plus 3y. Yes, what is the total of frequency? It is 314 plus x plus y, which is equal to 400. So can we say x plus y is equal to 86? Equation number 1. Now as we are ready with the table, we can put the formula to get the answer. X bar is equal to a plus sigma FIDI upon n into c. Please verify once again in your question set what is the mean. Mean is given 41.7 marks. So can we say x bar is equal to 41.7? They have given us. So x bar is equal to 41.7 is equal to a is how much? 0 जहाँ पे लिया होगा वो क्लास की मिड वैल्यू. सो वो होता है 21 to 30 और उसकी मिड वैल्यू होती है 25.5 प्लस सिग्मा FIDI दैट इज 504 प्लस 3y डिवाइडेड बाय n is 400 and class interval you can see it is 10. Okay, so now you can cancel this 0. 25.5 will be going on another side, so it is 16.2, that is 41.7 minus 25.5. 16.2 is equal to 504 plus 3y divided by 40. If we multiply 40 over here, it will become 648 is equal to 504 plus 3y. So it is 3y is equal to 144 and y is equal to 48. 8. Now putting the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 क्या था? x plus y is equal to 86. So x plus y is equal to 86. X plus 48 is equal to 86. X is equal to what? 38. Fine. So here we are keeping till now. The next session will be doing sums with weighted mean and combined mean, as well as examples on finding out original distribution. Thank you.